wanted to show how to download Codeigniter in practice. Download Codeigniter, hit enter, then download Codeigniter. I select this is documentation. Download Codeigniter, codeigniter.com. From the click download, hit download, and I wanted to use Codeigniter 3, then download, click download, then it is downloading. After the download, copy, open this folder and copy this and back into, I wanted to put on computer var www.html and paste on this, extract here. After I extracted it, I rename it ci tut. In ci tut there is other, cut this, right click, cut, back to ci tut and paste on this and delete this. After that, I want open this folder and back, open. This is VS Code Editor. You can download VS Code Editor and other code editor, Sublime, VS or Atom. There are many different code editors, but I prefer VS Code editors. Then you can download from this VS Code editor. Download VS Code editor. You can download from this. So I have first. Then I downloaded first. You can download it. If you haven't it, you can download it. Then open folder, go other file, computer, var www.html ci tutorial or ci tut. Open. After I open it, you get this file structure. Let's zoom it. It is visible application and the system is folder, other is composer.json, index.php and the readme. Then I wanted to go on application, and in application I wanted to configure it. Application config.php. I will minimize sometime. Then first of all PHP. Then this is installation process. Go to folder localhost. In localhost ci_tut. So I think this, yeah, ci tut. This is our installation process is completed. Copy this line and paste. I copy this, and come back on this and paste on this line 26 base URL and save configuration, the first configuration. Then this is configuration for config file. Other is database. This is our database. I wanted to create new database. My username is admin, my password is 1122. I wanted to create new database. That database is ci tut. Copy this line, save, back to database, localhost, php admin 1122. After that, create a new database, paste CI2, then come back on code, CI2, copy, paste on this, save. This is configuration for database. This is my user, this is my database password, password CI2. The other is autoload. Come back on autoload package, all are detailed description are there. You can read from this and you get all information from this. Okay, the first one is we must configure our libraries. Copy from line 54 inside of this, paste on line 61 inside this. Database, email, and the session. This is library. Database is our library, email, and this, when our system is started, it is loaded, first load. The other is helper, URI helper, and URI helper and file are our helpers. Then if you have many config file, we can type on this like this. Our default language, we can change the default language from this. Our default language is English. Save. The other is route is our default controller is welcome. Then at this time our default controller is welcome. Let us check on browser our configuration is correct or not. Yes, our configuration is correct. Configuration is completed. Congratulations. Second, go to concept of MVC. In this MVC, M is model, V is view, C is controller. MVC concept. Let us create controller. First, create controller, new file. Let us student.php. PHP define base path like this. Defined base path. Copy this line, paste on this defined base path, and class student extends CI controller. In CI controller, public function underscore construct parent construct. In this parent dot underscore construct save. Public, this is for use loading our concrete constructors. For example, when I want to load model, I type this way: public function index this load view this load view template load view student in student list semicolon. Let us create in view student folder. In view student, this means student. In view student folder, new folder student. In student there is a student list, student underscore list.php. This is fully HTML, so I wanted to create HTML html title CI tutorials, then this is on head on header head slash head. Metadata is typing on here. I want to type body, and in body the type h2. This is student list h2 save. How to call this on controller? Student list, then come back on config route. In route default controller change it to student. When I refresh it, this is student controller. Congra. This is how CV work. We go CV. What is CV? CV. This means controller view work together in CI. How CV means C for controller, V is for view. How CV and controller work together. This is working together. The second one is creating database. Creating database. How to create database on MySql. Let's start. Go to PHP admin, new student table, student, then 4 columns is enough. ID, table ID, SID, name, student name or full name, email, course is enough. Varchar 255, Varchar 255, Varchar 255. Auto increment, save and go. So I create student table, then how to insert student info into the student table. Let's follow me. Follow. So first go to this folder, and sorry for the sound. Go to this folder, file, controller, student list. Come back on this. Creating student list, then whole new file, add.php, then copy all this and come back on and paste on this, adding new student form action php echo base URL student / index index.php / student add a student method post form label name break input type text name name full name place holder enter full name then break line copy paste. So second, change this name to come back on email database course, then remove this course text, this email, type email course, then enter full name back into email course full save. Then at the last but not least, input type is equal to submit value at, then save. Go to this public function at a student, copy this full and paste on this student at, save, come back on this and go to this and search on browser index.php /v add student at, save. See, I thought, oh, I understand control. Yeah, this is full name, email and others. After that, then I make controller, save for this and back on controller, then public function add underscore student, copy this and come back on this and this student model add student semicolon, redirect to semicolon. After that then go to model, create this model, student model, public this load model and to create student in model CI model. Public function student, add student, just copy v data is equal to array semicolon. This is come from database full name. This input post f name, copy vv yeah, email course name email course. This is come from add student f name email course. This is form name v course, email is come from that. Then query is equal to this db insert into table name student comma data. Save. Let us check this. What is the name? Dejane. Email dejane@gmail.com. Course software engineering. Exactly. Let us check on this browse. Good. Let us add another tufa computer science engineering. Yes, exactly. Congra. Let us back for filtering and a delay. Indeed, and a delayed come back on next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening.